So now we've seen the parameters and the arguments. Let's talk about something that's also very important, and that's the return keyword. Okay, so we use this when we don't want the output right away. Okay, I think that's a better wording. So when we don't want the output right away, we use our return. And the way you want to think about this is, okay, it's going to keep this at a particular memory address, and you can just later fetch it when you want. Okay. So far we have been doing functions where we just print, we just bring the output right away. Let's try to do something very different. So again, we want to define the function. We say def, we say multiply, because we want to do some multiplication. Now we make the brackets and then put our column, and we indent. Now we write everything we want. So what we want this particular function to do is to return, again, keyword return. Now before I do this, I need to make the parameters. Okay, so I say a and then b like this, and now we return a times b. Mind you, we didn't print it, we didn't do anything to it. It's just we returned it, we need the value. Okay, good. So once we have this simple function, I'm going to go ahead to call it just to show us what I'm talking about. Okay, multiply, and now we need to satisfy the parameters with arguments. So let me see, let's use 2 and 3. That should give us 6. Okay, good. And now run, and then you see that we'll go back to having no output, because nowhere in either the function or in the call did we specify that we want output. But make no mistake, the value is still somewhere in memory, and we are going to prove it. Okay, so what I can do is I want to store this in a variable called result. I can just try to print the whole thing, but yeah, so let's just store this. Okay, besides, I want to also make the outputs, I want to make it pretty. So now we print our results like this. Now this alone should work. Okay, but I want to use an F string. I want to add something to the message. It's good practice for us. So we see the results. Let's see products. Okay, products is, and now we see results. What is it? Results like this. Okay, good. And now you're going to say we have output because we have gone ahead to print the product. Okay, so again, we use return when we don't want to print the results right away. Good.